Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America on YouTube, and we have breaking news in the case of Donald Trump and his federal case brought by Jack Smith, the special prosecutor. Before we get started, please make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. In this day and age of conservative voices being suppressed, it really helps us out, and it helps our channel continue to grow. So, Jack Smith's case has gone to the Supreme Court. By his own doing, he's bringing the case to the Supreme Court to check on presidential immunity. Now, Jack Smith has a trial date set of March 4th. This is very important for him because it appears he'd like Trump to be tried and convicted before the 2024 presidential election. On the other hand, Trump wants to delay this until after the election for obvious reasons, and now it looks like Jack's doing his work for him because the federal judge, Judge Tanya Chutkan, she just stopped the case cold. Let's take a look.
Just reporting from Capitol Hill right now. Hi, David.
Yeah, hi, Martha. This is a big deal because Judge Tanya Chutkan, the judge assigned to this case that expected to see this entire trial through with Donald Trump, right now has essentially said, I don't have jurisdiction anymore because this case likely is going to become or come before the U.S. Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has much more authority than a federal district judge in Washington, D.C. So with an order, Judge Chutkan just announced that she's putting this on hold right now. That means she's not going to accept new evidence or new writings or anything else on the public docket. Everything freezes in this case. And Martha, it's significant because it could push back the March 4th trial date. That's one day before Super Tuesday when you look at the court calendar versus the campaign calendar. Donald Trump's team wants this to be pushed back until after the election. Special counsel Jack Smith's team actually went directly to the Supreme Court earlier this week and asked them to decide whether or not Donald Trump should be protected by presidential immunity. So while this is going to the Supreme Court and the Supreme Court is giving Trump's team until next Wednesday to give some sort of response, Judge Chutkan has now said, listen, the Supreme Court is in charge. I'm going to hold off here. But ultimately, if the Supreme Court does not rule in the former president's favor, it may come right back to Judge Chutkan and we start the process all over again. But this is definitely a delay, Martha.
Okay. Interesting, David. Thank you very much. Aren't we lucky that we have Fox News Sunday anchor and chief legal correspondent Shannon Bream right here to respond to this? Always good to have you in New York.
Great to see you in person.
Thank you for coming. What does this mean? Break it down for us.
You know, I think of the movie scene, A Beautiful Mind, where he's got, you see at the end, there are strings leading everywhere and there are papers. I mean, really just trying to keep abreast of all of these legal developments involving the former presidents.
Of course, she has to stop the case. She doesn't have to, but it's wise. Why continue if the case is going to get shot down by the Supreme Court? I think this was the only move she could make in this situation. So I give her a lot of credit for doing the right thing here. I want to know what you guys think about this. Did Jack Smith just kill his own case? Let me know in the comments. Also, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Again, it really helps us out. I'm Carmine Sabia for Explain America on YouTube. We love you guys. God bless you. Take care, everybody.